Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and a clean Bluetooth state. This avoids half-failed resets. First, charge the case and both earbuds to at least half capacity, because resets can fail with low battery. Next, on your phone, forget the Momentum True Wireless 3 so it won't reconnect during the process. Once done, place both earbuds in the case and close the lid for a few seconds to establish a stable starting point for the next step. You now execute the core reset. Open the case and briefly remove, then reinsert both earbuds to wake their firmware. Then, press and hold the touch sensors or physical buttons on each earbud simultaneously for about 10 seconds. You're forcing a factory reset of the pairing table. Make sure to watch the LED pattern. Once you see the reset indication, usually a specific flash sequence or a solid light then off, release and let them reboot. This clears previous Bluetooth pairings and settings. You finish by reconnecting and verifying functionality. Remove the earbuds from the case to force pairing mode and select Momentum True Wireless 3 on your device. Confirm audio and mic work. If pairing fails, make sure Bluetooth on your phone is off and on again, then redo the reset. Power cycling both phone and case often fixes hiccups. If problems persist, update firmware using the Sennheiser Smart Control app or contact support. That addresses stubborn bugs and hardware edge cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.